The under-cabinet TV can be a great addition to any kitchen, helping aspiring cooks and bakers follow their favorite chefs to learn new recipes or perfect techniques. While many people have moved away from having a traditional television in their kitchen, opting instead to use smartphones and tablets, the new smart displays give you the best of both mobile devices and traditional televisions. Many smart displays have Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant built in, so you can use your voice to search the web for recipes, pull up instructional videos on YouTube, or start your favorite playlist on Spotify with just a word. Many also have a suite of preloaded, popular apps like Netflix, Pandora, and Prime Video, so you can watch your favorite shows and movies right out of the box. To help you find what I am talking about, I decided to review the 5 best under-cabinet TV that you can get your hands on this year. Roll down to the link in the description box below to know more information and latest price update. Thanks, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The best budget categories is the Lenovo Smart Clock. Smart displays can be pricey, but luckily the Lenovo Smart Clock offers itself as a budget-friendly and compact option. For under $40, you can have a touchscreen smart display in your kitchen to help walk you through recipes, stream music while you cook or do chores, or keep you up to date with the latest news headlines at breakfast. With both Bluetooth and Chromecast connectivity, you can play music, shows, or movies from your mobile device or television on your Lenovo Smart Clock. Integrated Google Assistant voice controls let you set timers, alarms, and calendar reminders so you don't burn dinner or miss a family gathering. You can also connect smart kitchen devices to the smart clock to control everything from your oven to your coffee maker with just a word. The back of the device features a USB port which can be used to keep your smartphone or tablet charged up for your morning commute. Number 4. The best battery power categories is the Facebook Portal Plus. In the age of mobile devices, even Facebook has gotten into smart displays. The Facebook Portal Plus is a battery-powered smart display that gives you up to 6 hours of use on a full battery, letting you call friends and family, stream music, and follow along with your favorite celebrity chefs almost all day before needing to plug in. While its primary use is for video calling friends and family, you can also download popular streaming apps like Netflix, Spotify, and Prime Video, so you can watch the latest movies and shows or stream custom playlists while you make dinner or host family gatherings. The Facebook Portal Plus has Alexa built in for hands-free controls and to connect other Alexa-enabled devices for even more ways to use your new smart display. The 15-inch screen can be used in either portrait or landscape mode, giving you plenty of freedom to customize your setup to suit your needs. If privacy and safety are a concern, this model has a physical mute button, both a camera shutter and kill switch, and full encryption of your data to help keep your personal information safe from unauthorized access. Number 3. The best Google Assistant users categories is the Google Nest Hub Max. If you've set up your smart home network around Google Assistant, the Google Nest Hub Max is the perfect addition to your home. The 10-inch touchscreen display works with a multi-microphone and multi-speaker array to let you make video calls or stream music, movies, and shows with just a word. With built-in Chromecast, you can play videos and music from your mobile devices or TV when you want to keep listening or watching while you make dinner or eat breakfast. When making video calls, the Nest Hub Max uses auto-framing technology to keep you visible even as you move around the room, perfect for calling friends and family for help while baking or to make weekend plans before your morning commute. The Nest Hub Max can also connect to other Nest, Ring, and even Hue brand smart products, so you can keep an eye on your front door and deliveries through your video doorbell or control your smart light bulbs with Google Assistant. Number 2. The best design categories is the Lenovo Smart Display. If you want a smart display that looks great and is packed with features, the Lenovo Smart Display 10 is the perfect option. This 10-inch smart display comes in both gray and a bamboo finish and features a modern art-inspired design that is sure to complement almost any home decor. The screen can be used in either portrait or landscape orientations, allowing you to customize the setup to suit your needs. A physical mute button and camera shutter give you peace of mind when you aren't using them to control your smart kitchen or smart home devices, or making video calls. The Lenovo Smart Display has Google Assistant built in to give you hands-free control over it and any other smart devices you may have in your home. You can connect your Android or iOS mobile device via Bluetooth to stream music, shows, or movies, or you can download your favorite streaming apps right to the device to catch up on news headlines or the latest Netflix originals while you make dinner or have your morning coffee. The Lenovo Smart Display is compatible with Nest, Hue, Wink, and SmartThings devices, so it's easy to integrate into your existing smart home network. Number 1. The best overall categories is the Amazon Echo Show 8.
Alexa, show me my calendar.
The Amazon Echo Show is not only a smart speaker, it also doubles as a streaming device for your kitchen. With apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Food Network Kitchen, you can follow along with step-by-step recipe videos or your favorite celebrity chefs while you make holiday dinners or weeknight meals. With accessibility options like captioning, screen magnification, and text-to-speech, everyone will be able to help with anything from baking Christmas cookies to catching up with the news. A built-in mic and camera allow you to make video or voice calls to friends and family when you want to stay in touch or need help. If you have children, the Echo Show has built-in parental controls to set screen time limits and block certain apps to keep your children from accessing inappropriate content and from using the device after bedtime. Alexa voice controls let you set reminders, timers, and even control smart kitchen appliances like internet-enabled ranges to preheat your oven while you're wrist-deep in brownie batter. Thanks for watching, and that's all for the 5 best under cabinet TV review. Hope to see you in the next episode.